My name is Shegun Adaju.
My name is Chinedum Akiti Diego.
My name is Maurice Ekpong.
My name is Toby Bondefaye Owope.
I'm an entrepreneur. I power homes and businesses with solar.
I'm a human resources professional.
I'm an entrepreneur and a graduate of the Oakseed Executive Leadership course, which I finished in 2014.
I currently work in financial services and the international development sector.
My first encounter with the Institute for National Transformation was sometime in 2009, 2010, when an announcement was made in my church by my pastor for a basic executive program that was to be held by the Institute in the University of Lagos at the time.
In 2007, I was having a career change. I was thinking, what next? Having been in banking for many years, and I had the privilege of traveling to Ukraine at the invitation of Pastor Sunday Adelaja. So two great men I met at that time, Pastor Sunday Adelaja and Professor Vincent Anebogo. So that's how I came about the Institute for National Transformation and also the Oakseed training.
I remember getting into the first class and, I was so ashamed about how ignorant I was. The information that just kept coming. In that first class, it was obvious to me that I had to come back again.
In my business, I have received very deep insight, strategic insight from my participation in the executive leadership course that has led me to take certain positions, particularly suited to resolve the problems of pervasive hunger and poverty across not just Nigeria, but the continent of Africa.
Well, like I said, I was transiting from core commercial banking and thinking of the next thing to do. So I had that privilege of that encounter at that period, and then it changed my orientation. And I can tell you that my life never remained the same up to now.
How has it changed my life? Numerous ways, but today just thinking about it, one of the greatest ways it has changed my life is that it's introduced me to people like me. There's capacity, there's information, there's camaraderie, there's just so much.
After completing my program, my Oakseed Executive Leadership Training course, I went to do my Master's in Development Studies at the Institute for Development Studies, which is ranked #1 in the entire world for development-related courses. So I was put in the same environment and the same class with the best minds from all over the world. And I can boldly say I was able to still stand out in my class because of the things I learned while undergoing my Oakseed Executive Leadership Training course.
I've gone to Harvard, I've been trained by MIT Sloan, I've gone to Frankfurt Business School, I've gone to Lagos Business School. But when I came to INT, it was what I was taught in INT. None of these schools, and I repeat, none of these schools taught me those. And it has also helped me a whole lot. So I strongly recommend, no matter wherever you are, no matter what kind of business you do or occupation that you are into, you need to attend the Oakseed training.